We're here at REIT Week 2010 in Chicago, and I'm joined by Claudia Reich-Floyd, Head of Real Estate Securities with 4IP Management. Claudia, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
How would you say that the recent anxiety regarding Greece in the European financial markets has impacted listed real estate companies there?
I think it doesn't or it didn't impact real estate securities in Europe more than it did in the US or in Asia. I think actually that the flight to security has helped the real estate markets, and you've seen stock corrections definitely, but the currency has had a much more significant impact on the performance. So Switzerland, for example, has really outperformed. It's a theme that has also happened during the downturn, and then now you see those markets that are more stable outperforming.
Do you expect any efforts in the near future to help converge REIT structures throughout Europe?
I think any efforts on that side have really taken a hit based on what's happened in the European Union. So I really don't expect very much out of that in the next months or the next couple of years even.
And how have major institutional investors like pension funds embraced REITs, would you say, in Europe?
I think that actually just in the last couple of months we've seen more interest in the listed markets, especially out of Germany. Germany, I don't know if you're familiar with it, has had some issues about the open-ended funds, which is a 900 billion euro industry and is the most popular investment and the biggest competitor, I would say, to the REIT industry. And because they've had liquidity issues and they had to close those, or some of those, the government is thinking about maybe locking investors in for a period of 2 years. So that resulted in a lot of people thinking about the actual liquidity issue. And I think for that reason REITs are becoming maybe more popular in the long run now for institutions, and something to look at for sure.
And looking ahead at the second half of 2010, what do you think are going to be the major themes in the European listed real estate markets?
I think definitely IPOs will be a new theme. I mentioned in Germany there's a lot of potential. There was one IPO that was about to come online before. We've had this kind of double dip now. So hopefully that's coming mid-year again onto the markets. That could trigger a lot more volume there for new IPOs. I think also in other countries that could be a potential theme, but also existing companies that have stable balance sheets buying potentially distressed or assets that banks now starting to unload from their balance sheets, and we're seeing some more transaction volumes. I think that would be another theme that could potentially come up.
All right, well, thank you very much for your time, Claudia.
Thank you.
For more information on this and other REIT news and analysis, check out REIT.com.